Gold traded with a bullish bias yesterday. It has dropped towards 1964 and then has recovered strongly, but right now still seems to be getting a stronger resistance at 1980. Now, what to expect today from gold? Which position you should take in order to profit today trading gold? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, just subscribe to the channel. The next update will be released before the US session, and hence press the bell icon or join my free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Let's start. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Your every action matters to me a lot. Your every like, comment, share is a great motivation. Now let's have a look at the gold on the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, you can find, see, there was one bullish move. It has taken the price towards 1987. But so far, if you look at the candles, none of the candles have closed above 1985-86 zone. Yes, it is still struggling to stay above 85-86, suggestive of that there is definitely greater resistance at around this zone. Thus, it has to stay above 85-86 level in order to confirm the bullish reversal here. Now, if you draw a line here, you will find that, see, higher lows are consistently seen and a flat top is seen. Thus, yes, it has increasing support on the downside at the same time. So what will happen if it breaks past 1980 to 80 zone, or rather, in fact, I will wait for 78. Now, yesterday in our update, we have seen why these are greater resistances. So now on the downside, these are going to be the support levels. So as I had asked you to buy at 76, expect 78, 80, 82.5 and 85 as the resistance levels. Precisely, now these are going to be the support levels for the day, and once it stays below 78, that is the point, rather I will say below 76 is the point where you can say that the bears are going to take over. Else, as long as 76 is respected, we have to still trade with caution here. If you look at a stochastic, this is near to top. MACD is in green, it is trading with divergence. RSI is staying flat here. Coming to 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, very easy to note that higher lows are consistently observed and a flat top is observed. This is a squeeze which gold needs to come out. If gold stays above 1987 here, then we are looking at 1991 and then 2000 levels as well. Yes, if it stays above 1991, more bullishness may prevail, but at the same time, we must note that this is a squeeze, a breakout could be equally strong, and hence we have to trade with caution at around these levels. Stochastic has come to overbought zone. The MACD on the 2-hour charts has crossed over, trying to trade with divergence and trying to trade with a slight retracement. If you look at the RSI, this is also looking upwards, trying to stay bullish. Coming to 3-hour charts. Now on the 3-hour charts, a couple of attempts of price achieving towards 50 period moving average. Now you can look at both 20 and 50 period are looking upwards, trying to suggest slight bullishness. It has tried to converge here, but then again starting to diverge. This is bullish indication as of now. But at the same time, one must note this fact that, see, it was forming the flag here, it has breached this flag and it has tried to stay bullish. See the pole here, the flag here and the breakout. But right now getting very strong resistance on the, and this is also, if you look at, this is a stronger move here than trying to show the squeeze. So a breakout is going to be stronger one. We have to watch out at the, see, if you note this, on the downside there are greater supports as long as 1974-76 zone is respected. Below that we may see bearishness prevailing here in gold. What has happened so far is the rise, the retracement, then the lower highs or double top levels, you can say, and from here if it breaks, it is going to be a stronger one. So see, the moment what we are expecting right now is a break. Now the break is going to be in which direction, that we need to see. Yes, above 1987 levels, the bullishness is going to prevail here. We are looking forward to 1991 and then further plus levels towards 1998 and 2000. The stochastic is overbought. MACD has crossed over here and it is trying to trade with little divergence, suggestive of bullishness. RSI is flat. Coming to 4-hour charts. Now, if you look at 4-hour charts, you will find inverted head and shoulders here. Probably, yes, these two candles at the same levels. And after the inverted head and shoulders, it is trying to rise. But on the larger time frame, if you look at the symmetrical formation, it has breached, it is trying to look upwards. How high? Yes, 1991 levels could be the next resistance, staying above 1987. And then beyond that, we may see 2000 and plus levels. If you note the movement, if you observe the movement, what has happened here. See the highs here at around 2000 plus level. Now if you draw a channel from the bottom to the top, you'll find the gold is staying in this bullish channel here, and see achieving the median, it is reversed again, achieving the top. See couple of candles tried to breach below the channel, failed to close below this. Very important point it is, suggests that it is still trying to trade with the bullish bias, but only observation is the resistance it is getting on the upside, very strong. Also, if you observe closely, see the rise, the retracement, and uh, possibly double top levels is what at best, even if it tries to break out, should be greater resistance, and at those levels we will see how it behaves. A reversal from those levels cannot be denied here. But right now, if you also look at, see multiple candles getting a pullback from these levels. The preceding candle tried to give a breakout, but again failing to stay bullish here. This candle is going to be important where it closes. If you see prices dropping below 1982, see 1982 levels, you can initiate a selling position, but with caution. 80, 78, 76, only 20 pips here below this zone, and in fact 74, below 74 is where slight bearishness to be seen, where one can look forward to further bearishness towards 1968, the next support, and then below that we may see a massive drop. So looking at the movement, what we have seen, very smaller movement and very nearby resistances are seen here. Coming to the daily chart. If you look at the daily chart, see lower highs are done, and if you look at the preceding candle, higher lows, lower highs, and the last two candles specifically you should note, see couple of retracement candles and immediate reversal here. Now this candle stayed bullish, yielding higher lows, higher highs. Highs of this at around 1991 levels, greater resistance on the upside beyond 87 levels. Yes, these levels may provide a greater resistance, and on the downside for the day, 1968 levels should be a good support. Remember, once it breaks on the downside, this time the break could be equally strong here. But we should not forget, after a couple of red candles, one greener candle, there is a probability to the second greener candle. Now let me turn on the indicator. On the indicators part, the moving averages have crossed over here. See, prices are doing nothing but waiting for the moving average to climb up and waiting for this crossover as well. Yes, there is a deviation of price from the moving average that suggests that there should be a slight retracement. Only thing is how far it can stretch with the rise here. That is what something you should look forward to. There is still a little scope for it to rise before it tries to retrace on the downside. Stochastic has dropped and now trying to look upwards. The MACD is in green. It is trying to converge a bit. Candle sizes have almost flattened, and from here, either which ways it can take this turn. RSI again overbought. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading strategy and levels. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 27th batch is going to start on 28th of November. Register yourself now itself. Only limited seats are available. Do not miss this opportunity. Invest in your learning, which can reap the profits to you for life. Now, where you can get the details of this mentorship, you can visit the site www.forexfunda.com. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. This is my own platform, and here under the mentorship batch, you will get the announcement, and here you can find the curriculum of the batch. At the same time, this Google form is available, which you can fill and also pay and book your seats now. Yes, this platform is much more to just the mentorship. There are discussion forums where you can find my post and the summary of the post which I am making here. See, this was yesterday's post for gold and oil in the evening, and you will find the summary of the observations. Along with this, you can have a discussion here. We can start and initiate a discussion. Also, the most important point is everything is available under one roof. The economic calendar is there, where you get the news and details, including with the forecast and the current observation. Markets, you will find the charts. You can search your charts, you can search your instrument, be it stocks, futures, commodity, currency, crypto, anything and everything is available under charts. You can create your own analysis, use your indicators, use your strategy. And yes, if you want a live support with me, and if you want a consultation with regards to your existing position or a futuristic position, you can book a call and we can have a discussion. So visit the site www.forexfunda.com and reserve your seats on the mentorship. Now looking at this, I will recommend you to buy at 1987 levels. Expect 1991 levels to be the first resistance, 1991.5 to be precise. And beyond that, I will be looking forward to 1998 2002 zone. That is going to be a target and that is going to be an achievable level here. Next is to sell at 1982, but then with the caution note that there are greater supports, 1980-78 zone, very good support, then 74-76 zone, the next support. And once the prices stays below 1974, we can see more bearishness prevailing there, taking it till towards 68.70, the next target, and then below that a massive drop should be seen, which may take the prices below 1960, in fact towards 1950 levels as well. So trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Do not take a position between 1982-87 zone. Taking a sell position at 1982 is still a riskier trade, and hence you have to strictly trade with the trailing stop loss. Likewise, on the upside beyond 1987, as long as 1991 is there, we have to be cautious. Trade accordingly, trade profitably. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do stay tuned with the next update. The next update on gold will be released before the US session. Thus, join my free Telegram channel or join the platform where you get the live market updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with the US session.